Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Littlehearts-Superkids. Today I bring you to my virtual classroom. We all know ABCs, but today let's learn ABC with a twist. That's right, so let's get going, my friends. A is for apple. Apples are rich in vitamin C and potassium. B is for banana. Banana peel can be whiten teeth and polish silver. C is for cat. A group of cats is called clouders. D is for dog. Dog noses are red to objects and chemicals. E is for elephant. Elephants are largest land mammals. F is for fish. Tuna can swim up till 70 km per hour. G is for grapes. Grapes are kind of berries and partly dried grapes turn into raisins. H is for heart. Heart pumps 2,000 gallons of blood every day. I is for ice cream. Vanilla was one of the first ice cream flavors since 19th century. J is for jacket. Jacket was invented by Eddie Bauer in early 1930s. K is for kangaroo. Red kangaroos are the largest marsupial and grow up to 2 feet. L is for lion. Lions are only cats who live in a group. M is for mongoose. Mongoose are born blind. N is for nuts. It takes 540 peanuts to make a 12-ounce jar of peanut butter. O is for octagon. Octagon is a 8-sided polygon. P is for paintbrush. Paintbrushes were invented in 300 before Christ. Q is for QR code. QR code was found by Japanese in 1990 to track vehicle parts. R is for radio. The best song played on the radio was Flowers in the Rain by The Move. S is for shopping cart. Grocery store cars can go up to a maximum speed of 2 miles per hour. T is for tram. The largest fleet of trams is in the city of Prague. U is for umbrella. It comes from the Latin word ambros, meaning shade or shadow. V is for vacuum cleaner. The first known vacuum cleaner was invented in Iowa. W is for whale. Blue whales can grow up to 90 feet and weigh as much as 24 elephants. X is for Xmas tree. 98% of all Xmas fruit trees are grown on farms. Y is for yarn. Yarn is sold in the shape of skin to avoid tagging and knotting. Z is for zigzag line. Zigzag lines help toddlers to develop pencil grip. Now friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.